The mystery storm discovery.
Scientists expected chaos when Juno peered into Jupiter's depths, but what they found was far more unsettling: perfect order where none should exist. Hidden beneath the planet's familiar bands are storm systems arranged in geometric patterns so precise they look engineered. These aren't random weather events, they're mega-cyclones that have been spinning in formation for potentially millions of years. Dr. Alberto Adriani, from the Institute for Space Astrophysics in Rome, describes them as impossible structures that violate everything we know about fluid dynamics. The storms maintain perfect spacing, like gears in a planetary machine, each one larger than Earth and more powerful than anything in our solar system. What's keeping them organized? Why haven't they merged or dissipated like normal storms should? Juno's data suggests these formations extend thousands of kilometers deep, powered by energy sources that remain completely unknown. The geometric precision is so unnatural that some researchers privately wonder if they're witnessing the remnants of some ancient cosmic event that fundamentally altered Jupiter's atmospheric behavior. Each storm rotates with mathematical precision, creating a pattern that defies the chaotic nature of fluid mechanics.